Whether you're following a recipe or creating your own, this Kitchenaid blender gives you access to nutritious meals to help you keep up a healthy lifestyle. The 4 preset Adapti-blend programs, smoothies, juices, soups and self-cleaning cycle are designed to achieve the very best results with every use, meaning you always get a consistent and perfect blend and easy cleanup. The 2.6 litre thermal control jar can blend and heat soup in just 5 minutes. Designed for comfortable operation and easy adding and measuring of ingredients, you can create delicious recipes effortlessly. With an asymmetric stainless steel blade, ingredients are blended at 4 different angles, so larger and tougher ingredients such as whole fruits and vegetables are blended with ease. Enjoy fresh soups, smoothies, juices and more with this Kitchenaid blender.